If you're considering osTicket for your help desk needs, there are a few things you'll want to know before you make your decision. While it's a popular choice, it's important to weigh it against competitors like Freshdesk, Zendesk, and others. Let's dive right into the 12 things you should consider before buying osTicket. First thing to know is that osTicket is open source, meaning you can download and use it for free. But while the software itself is free, you'll likely need to pay for things like hosting, customization, or support. So keep that in mind when budgeting, as it might not be as cheap as it first appears. Next thing, customization. osTicket shines in this area. If you're technically inclined, you can really mold it to fit your needs. It allows you to tweak forms, workflows, and ticket priorities. But this flexibility comes at a cost. If you're not comfortable with code or don't have a dedicated tech team, you might find customization a bit of a challenge. The third thing to mention is that osTicket doesn't come with built-in reporting features. Unlike platforms like Zendesk, which offer advanced analytics and reporting right out of the box, you'll need third-party tools or plugins to get any detailed insights into your support performance. The fourth thing, the user interface. While osTicket does offer a simple and functional design, it's not as polished as some of its competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk. It can feel a bit outdated and lacks some of the modern touches you'd expect in a top-tier help desk solution. But if simplicity works for you, this might not be a deal breaker. The fifth thing is the lack of integrations. While osTicket has a few, it doesn't offer the vast array of integrations that other solutions like Zendesk or Freshdesk do. So, if you're using a variety of tools and need seamless integration, you may find osTicket a little limiting. Next thing to consider is osTicket's ticket management. It does a great job with basic ticket handling and allows you to track requests, assign them to agents, and set up automatic responses. However, compared to some competitors, the ticket management features can feel a bit bare bones, especially when it comes to advanced automation or AI features. The seventh thing, knowledge base. osTicket has a basic knowledge base feature that helps you provide self-service support, but it's not as advanced or user-friendly as systems found in platforms like Freshdesk. This could be a downside if a detailed, easy-to-use knowledge base is a key part of your customer support strategy. Moving on to the eighth thing, mobile support. osTicket does not have a dedicated mobile app, which is a bit of a disadvantage compared to solutions like Zendesk, which offer robust mobile capabilities. This could be an issue for teams that need to manage support on the go. The ninth thing to know is that osTicket's support options are limited. As an open source product, customer support mainly relies on community forums and documentation. If you're looking for direct, round-the-clock support, you'll need to either purchase premium support or look elsewhere. The 10th thing, security. osTicket does offer security features like role-based access control, but it's not as comprehensive as the security measures offered by enterprise-level solutions like Zendesk. If security is a top concern for you, you might want to explore other options. The 11th thing is scalability. osTicket works great for smaller teams, but can become a challenge as your business grows. You'll need to invest in technical resources for scaling the platform, whereas services like Freshdesk or Zendesk come with built-in scalability features that make growing your support operation much easier. The 12th and final thing to consider is osTicket's pricing model. While the software itself is free, remember that you'll need to factor in hosting, customization, and possible premium support. Some competitors offer all-inclusive plans that bundle everything together, which might make them more cost-effective in the long run. So, is osTicket a good option for your help desk needs? It can be, especially if you're looking for a free, customizable solution and are comfortable handling technical challenges. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features, smoother integrations, or better scalability, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.